am so excited for this whole thing. You're going to love it. Let's paint. The Paint 333 program for beginners is for new and seasoned watercolor artists who want to learn a unique approach to watercolor and are specifically interested in animal portraiture. Paint 333 is a system I designed for learning watercolor by ensuring you understand these three things. The 3 properties of water control for paint, paper, and brushes, the 3 principles of color, contrast, and composition, and the 3-step process of painting with water, dropping in color, and finishing with texture techniques. During this program, you'll also learn the 13 techniques that I use on a regular basis and a way of working that ensures you consider edges, sections, and layers. You're going to walk away from this program with the tools and skills you need to paint with success. We're also going to paint 3 paintings together. On day 1, you're going to use 3 colors and the technique of scraping to paint this fish. After learning the rest of the techniques, we're going to incorporate line work and paint this bunny. And our final painting will help you master edges and water control as we paint this bird together. The program includes 6 live Q&As, which will stay on YouTube as replays. When you're first introduced to watercolor, it's really easy to approach it like oil or acrylic. Focus too much on realism. Use cheap supplies that can hinder your success. Struggle with water control. And have this kind of fear of a blank page, not knowing where to start. Follow along as we learn the 3-step process, the 3 principles, the 3 properties, and 13 techniques, all while painting simple animal portraits together. Equipped with these lessons, you'll know what to do when you sit down to paint. Understand watercolor supplies so you can choose them with confidence while saving money, and realize just what you and watercolor are capable of. There is no one right way to watercolor, but I believe my approach is very beginner friendly. This systematic 333 approach will help you wield your watercolor brush with ease and excitement. So grab your supply list at paint333.com and let's paint. He's vacuuming right now like an angel. You gotta get out of here, save yourself.